In this video, we discuss about topic type conversion in C language. Type conversion is the process of converting one data type into another data type. There are two types of type conversions. Implicit type conversion, it is also called as type coercion. Explicit type conversion, it is also called as typecasting. In this video, we see about implicit type conversion. As we said, implicit type conversion is the process of converting one data type into another data type. In this, a lower data type value is automatically converted into higher data type. This type of conversion from lower type to higher type is also called as type promotion or widening conversion. Implicit type conversion requires no typecasting operator. It is done automatically by the compiler. This process is done at the compilation process at the compile time. It is done when both the compatible types are available. Compatible types means we can easily convert one data type value into another type. Like example, integer and float are compatible with each other. Character and integer are compatible with each other. In an implicit type of conversion, there will be no loss of data or there will be no loss of information. It is also called as type coercion. We see different examples. This is the first case. In this example, we have taken int a is equal to, we are assigning character value here. We are assigning character value to integer variable. Now what is happening here? Since a is in double quotes, a is in single quotes, it is a character constant. Now the character constant value is passed to integer variable. Now what is happening here? One is character type and a is the integer type. Now what happens here? Automatically compiler converts the lower type, that is character type, to integer type. Now what happens here? The ASCII value of small a, the ASCII value of small a is 65. 65 is passed to variable a. That means in this statement, character type is promoted to integer, lower type is promoted to higher type. In the second example, a value is passed to b. A is the integer type, b is the floating point type. Now automatically this integer type is converted into, this integer value is converted to floating point value and is passed to b. In the first case, character type is promoted to integer. In the second case, integer type is promoted to float type. If we run this particular program, we got output. In the first case, a got value 65. Why? Because 65 is the ASCII value of capital A. And in the second case, b got value 65.00. Why? Because b is the floating point type. Now we go for second example. In this case, float a is equal to 10 plus capital A plus 5.0. 10 plus capital A is the single character constant plus 5.0. Now what happens here? First one is the integer type, second one is the character type, and third one is the floating point type. Now what happens here? First of all, in this expression, 10 plus capital A, first of all, character type is converted into integer. Now this value becomes, this expression becomes 10 plus capital A's ASCII value is 65 plus 5.0. Now this value becomes integer. Now again character is converted into integer, and this one is the floating point type. Now 10 plus 65 is done. 75 plus 5.0. Now 75 is the integer value, 5.0 is the floating point value. Now which is the higher type? Floating point value is the higher type. Now 75 is converted into floating point type. Now 75 becomes 75.0 plus 5.0. Now 75.0 is the floating point type, 5.0 is also floating point type. Then if you perform addition, we get value 80.0. That means the final resultant value is also a floating point value. If we run this program, we get output 80.0. In this fashion, implicit type conversion is done automatically by the compiler.